Hello everyone, my name is Boris Berlin, also known as Boris the Chorus at the Motomech user group. And I want to quickly run you through this goofy video that I did for the Boom Library Turbine contest. On the day that Boom announced this contest, I received in the mail myBlu e-cigarette starter kit, which they sold for $1. And even though I'm not a smoker, I couldn't resist. And I thought if anything, it could be a good prop for some of these goofy videos that I want to start doing. I thought, okay, with this prop, I could actually do something for this contest. Came up with this idea to just do a short little slapstick type of video. In this project, I utilized 3 instances of this Turbine airplane recreation plugin by the Boom Library. And they all have their function. The first turbine is for me vaping in. And this here is the automation lane for that. This is the automation for the thrust. And then the second engine, this one here, a B52. And here's the automation lane for that one. That's for me breathing out, blowing out the vape. And the third one, this one here, an F18, peeks its head here in the middle, and then at the very end where that plane crash happens, the punchline, if you will, it is that crashing airplane. This plugin has a lot of interesting airplane models, from civil to military, and even some others, like rockets here, musical stuff, special effects, turbine starters, military, quite a large selection. I picked a couple bombers and transporters and one fighter, the F-18, and then we have the Stratofortress and the Super Galaxy I picked. I did a few modifications here and there. On the Stratofortress, the one where I'm vaping out, I had to increase the burn, of course. I increased little harmonics and fiddled around a little here in the bass and character settings as well. I had simulation off on this. Here I have simulation on at this little spot where it peaks in, and then simulation is automated to be turned off at this ending where the plane crashes. You see the automation lane for the on-off here. Right here, this little dot is the bypass. And all these other automation points that you see, those are the thrusts. This plugin doesn't need any MIDI tracks. What you do is you put the plugin record enable, and then you record these movements. You play it. See? So I just wrote this. I'm going to undo this. And I'll take this out of record. But that's how this plugin works. And a lot of these things are automatable. As I mentioned, I automated the sim on-off also on this instantiation here. The military planes that I chose for some reason worked the best for the kind of sound design I was going for. You can follow along these automation lanes as I'm playing the video. Here we go. And this one is sneaking up a little again. And now it's getting really crazy. This one is also coming in now. And now this one. This one is screaming. So I intended this one at the end screaming, just as a warning, you know, to the character. Oh, something else is happening. By the time he realizes, he actually never realizes it, he will be vaped himself, so to say. If you want to take a quick look at the rest of the sequence and the additional sound design, we have some musical stuff that I did at this stinger and the so-called drum roll. Here's a little sting, just a high note, an explosion at the end. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much. I hope to be doing more videos like these. It really helps me if you give it a like and maybe leave a comment. And also if you subscribe, that would be wonderful. It would definitely encourage me to do more. Thank you so much for watching and have a good one. Bye-bye.